Why don't we tear down this plasma TV? What year is it? September 2010. Made in Mexico. There we go. It's a Insignia Plasma display. 2010. It only lasted 10 years. Huh. Television receiver, blah, blah, blah. There we go. Let's get started. We got a bunch of screws here on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a dozen screws in the back we got to take off. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, there was actually more than a dozen screws in the back. Usually you miss one right around here. We miss one. Yep, right there. That's the one you always miss. It's camouflaged right there. Start over again. There we go. I like the ones that have the metal back. I can always use the metal backs on my sci-fi project. I have a sci-fi studio project going on, and these metal backs are nice. So let's take a look at the back here. We're going to be taking out these circuit boards. Got a lot of screws here on the circuit boards. So we got, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 circuit boards. Let's start taking those screws off and getting those out of there. So we got all the screws out. Put all your screws in a little can. There's a lot of tiny little screws in here. There's 4 bigger ones in this little plate here. This plate comes right out. So now we're going to start cutting wires. Normally right in the middle. This is a plasma TV. It looks like these are the gold. This is some gold here that can be recovered. And this circuit board here same thing over here. Look at these. This can all be gold can be recovered out of here. Little processors. Little computer processors, heat sinks. Okay, so we're going to just slip those off to the side there. Put circuit boards in a bin. That's a nice one. That's a nice circuit board there. Do I see some copper? Copper and silver. Oh yeah. Good stuff. Scrap metal. We'll flip this one off to the side for now. We got the speakers. The speakers just sit right in there. There's no screws holding them on. Nothing special about these speakers, but probably could save them. Now we need to get this metal backing off of here. Oh, we got some more screws here. So to get this metal backing off, we have to take off 1, 2, 4 more screws. Let's see if there's any more in here. That's it. What's this metal backing say? September 2010, Samsung. Okay, we took out some screws there. That metal frame comes off easily. These little things here, there's one screw in each one of these to remove, and they just fall out. Slip out. So we had 6 more screws, 6 more tiny screws that we had to take out here to get these 2 circuit boards. Throw those in the circuit board bin. And I think it's coming out of here. Here we go. That's your plasma TV. We'll take it out of here. All these circuit boards are made by Samsung. One thing, you get a lot of nice circuit boards out of these plasma TVs, so it's well worth it just for the circuit boards. So that's it. Got 2 pieces of metal. Screen. Come back next time, we're going to tear this LG apart. This LG is another plasma TV. It's a year older, 2009. It was a lot heavier. So whatever's in this LG was a lot heavier than what's in the Insignia. Come back, we'll tear that down next time.